Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 12.2 onward. Question number 9, area related to circle. So in this question it has been said that a brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameter which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. Then we have to find the total length of the silver wire required, the area of each sector of the brooch. Okay. So dear children, basically in this question it has been said that a brooches is made by using silver wire, okay, in the form of a circle with diameter is 35 mm, okay, and also use 5 diameter, okay, to make this brooch, and this diameter divide the whole circle in 10 equal sector. Okay, then we have to ask these two parts the total length of the silver wire used. So one thing is clear, the silver wire used in a circle which is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so first we have to find silver wire used to make brooch. Okay, silver wire used to make a brooch equal to the solution of first part, silver wire used to make a brooch is equal to circumference of circle, this means 2 pi r. Okay, so this is 2, the value of pi is 22/7, and here the diameter is given which is equal to 35 mm. So therefore radius will be 35 by 2 mm. Okay, now simplify. So this is 7, 5 is 35 and 2 cancel out. Now multiply 22 by 5. So we will get 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10 and 1, 11. Okay, so total silver wire used to make a brooch equal to 110 mm. Okay, and also find the wire used for making this brooch as a 5 diameter. Okay, so wire used in 5 diameter and wire used in 5 diameter, wire used in 5 diameter equal to 5 into multiply by 1 diameter which is 35 mm. Okay, so 5 into 35, 5 into 35 which is 5 5 is 25 and 5 3 is 15, 2 17, 1 75 mm. Okay, the total wire used in 5 diameter, which is equal to 175 mm. So therefore total wire used equal to total wire used equal to 110 mm plus 175 mm, which is equal to, this is 5 and 7, 8, 285 mm. Okay, 285 mm. The total length of the silver wire required for making such brooch. Okay, and the second part we have to ask the area of each sector of the brooch. Okay, okay, so area of each sector of the brooch will find by using the formula of area of sector. Okay, so here whole circle divided into 10 parts. So we can say the area of each sector is equal to 1 by 10 of area of circle. Okay, so this means area each sector equal to 1 by 10 to the area circle, 1 by 10 of area circle. Okay, and now substituting here value of pi r square, pi and r. So area of circle is pi r square. So this is 1 by 10 into pi, the value of pi is 2 by 7 and radius is 35 by 2 mm. 35 by 2 mm into 35 by 2 mm. Okay. Now simplify. So this is 7, 5 to 5 to 10 and 11. Now multiply 11 into 35 mm square upon 2 to the 4. So after multiplication 11 into 35, so we will get 385 by 4 mm square. Okay, mm square. This is mm square. 385 by 4 millimeter square. This is area each sector of the brooch. Okay, so dear children, this is the required solution of question number 9. Okay student, now move to the question number 10. In this question it has been said that an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle, okay, of radius 45 centimeter. Find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, so here are an umbrella having 8 ribs which are equally spaced, and also say that suppose are assuming this is to be a flat circle. Okay, of radius 45 centimeter. Then we have to find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay. So the total ribs are consecutive ribs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And this is radius equal to 45 centimeter. So we have to find area between two consecutive ribs. Okay. So this is the area between two consecutive ribs. So the area of each consecutive ribs equal to 1 by 8, the whole part of the circle. Okay. So this means area between two consecutive ribs equal to 1 by 8 to the area of circle. This is 1 by 8 into area of circle pi r square. Okay, area of the circle is pi r square. Now over here substituting the value of pi and r. Pi is 22 by 7. Okay, here pi u is 22 by 7 and radius is 45 centimeter. This is 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter. Okay, and now simplify. So this is 2 4 8 and 11, and the remaining are 11 into 45 into 45 divided by 7 4 28 centimeter square. Okay. Now multiply 11 by 45 into 45, that gives us 22275 upon 28 centimeter square. Okay, and finally 2275 divided by 28. So to get me 795.53 centimeter square. Okay, 795.53 centimeter square. This is the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number 10. Okay.